So if the role of HTML is to just define content on our pages, the role of CSS is to style that content, to decide on the layout, the design, the aesthetics of that page, right? And all that's really left, again, in these three pillars, this holy trinity that I keep referring to, is our JavaScript, right? So JavaScript, I guess in just a couple of words, is what's going to define the behavior. It belongs in its own kind of separate container, right? We're separating those concerns. Every time I type in a letter, you'll notice that it updates because that function gets called on key down. All right, so Marcus, we're looking at your website. Could you actually open up our site itself? Could you? All righty. Oh my God, we've got a lot of lorem ipsum text. But okay, wonderful. So I see we have also kind of the same structure that we've seen in all of our other sites, right? We've got that nav bar up top, so wonderful. We've also got some borders. We've got some different images thrown up. We've got some lists, ordered and unordered. What do you want to do? You want to be dramatic? We can change the background. We can change just some heading color. Marcus says, is there a variable for CSS? Because I don't want to change every color individually. Let's rerun that again. Let's press that button away. And so now not only are we going to see the color change, but we're also going to see that color that we built. So it's out there. It's just a matter of understanding what you're looking for. I know I must sound like a broken record saying that over and over again, but I'll keep doing it because it's a really important point. It's not an intuitive idea, right? We've been trained our whole lives to think that learning material is memorizing details. It's just not the way the world works. Learning material is understanding the concepts and figuring it out when you have to. And that's more true with computer science than almost any other field. So maybe when in your social studies classes, if you try to tell the teacher that, they'll throw you out of the room. But in computer science, you can rest assured that that's the way the world works.